Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm solving Leetcode question 14, longest common prefix. So write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there's no common prefix, return an empty string. So example 1, strings equals flowers, flow, flight. So the common prefix is FL. For the example 2, strings is dog, race car, car. There is no common prefix. So how to solve this problem? So the idea is it's pretty simple. Let's say take a look at the first character. So take a look at the first element in this string. So flower. So let's start from the very first character F. If this F appears in all of the other words, if yes, okay. So this F is the first character in the common prefix, and then move on to the next position L. If L in all of the words or strings in this list, yes. Move on to the next one, O. So this O in flower and O is in flow, but O is not in flight. So we know, okay, we know it's kind of like we need to break at this point and then just return the FL as a solution. So that's kind of the most intuitive approach for solving this. So let's code the solution. So word equals strings 0, and then for I in range length word, and then for J in range length strings, and then we do not need to check this one. We can just start from the index 1, and then to check if word let's have a prefix equals empty. If word I in strings J I, in that case we add it to the prefix, else we just break the for loop, else we just return prefix. Okay, so I got the incorrect answer. So the word, so we saw this word, okay, it's flower, and the prefix that start with empty. And basically we check every character. For I, oh, my bad. It's actually, we have to loop through this one. So else, or if we loop through, let's say, we finish loop through this one, and then prefix. Okay, the string index out of, oh, I see. So if I length strings J and Okay, so let me go over the solution one more time. So how to solve that? The idea is pretty simple. So we choose just a word to do the comparison. As we choose the first words from this strings, so we assign word equals string 0, and then prefix is assigned to the we assign the empty string to the prefix, and then we are just trying to check every character in this word. So f, so for example, if I equals 0, in that case, we are looking at character f. And then for j, in the range of 1 to the length of the strings. So basically, we are checking to see if this f in all the rest of the words. So that's in that case, first, this I has to be less than the uh, length of the strings. So let's say if we have something, and then also this word I, in this case it's f, must equal to the uh, characters at the same positions in other words. So that's this condition. If that's the case, we could just continue to check it for the next string in this strings list. Else, which means that condition does not satisfy. So in this case, we can just break and return the prefix. Let's say if we check for all the rest of the words in the strings, and we figure, okay, this f is in all the other strings. In that case, we can just add that to the prefix. And then in the end, we just return the prefix.